To connect your GoPro with the Volta, you will first need to remove the door on the side just right here. So the same way as when you change the battery or pick the SD card, you just open it and then you will pry a little bit like that so you can remove the door. Why are we doing it? It's because GoPro gives that door with a hole to have access to the USB connection right here. So you put it back like that. Shut the door, and then we will need to put the camera on top of the Volta. So you have those attachments at the bottom, and if your finger is too big to get it open, well, you can use the screw that we will use in a few seconds to take it out. And then you will place the camera on top of the Volta, and don't make that mistakes. If you put it on that side, you will put the screw just right here, and you will have a hard time to connect the cable here because of the screw. So you need to set it on the other side, just like that, and then set the screw right inside of here. And then the next step would be to connect the cable just right here. But hold on, if it's the first time you do it, you will need to Bluetooth pair it. Why do we need to Bluetooth pair it while there is a USB cable connected into it? Well, ask GoPro. That's stupid in my opinion, but okay. So what you will need to do is to swipe down on the screen, go on the right page into Preference, into Wireless Connection, and then Connect Device, and then choose Volta, and you will have the instructions saying that you need to press the Bluetooth button on the Volta for 4 seconds, and the Bluetooth button is just right here. So what I will do is I will hold it until I see the message saying connection successful on the screen, just like that. And then you can take your cable that is its only use is to recharge the camera, and there you go. Your Volta is ready to use, and if I press record, yes, it does record, and if I press it again, yes, it does stop. What a wonderful job.